Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. I will show you how to customize the Finder toolbar in macOS Mojave. Open a Finder window by clicking the Finder icon at the left end of the dock. To customize the toolbar, right-click on the toolbar. From here you may easily make changes to your liking. You can drag items into and out of the toolbar, add a space between items, and choose whether to show text with the icons. This you probably knew, but there is more. You may rearrange the items in the toolbar. Press and hold the Command key, then drag an item to a new location. But wait, there is more you can do to customize your toolbar, and it's really cool. You may also add a file or an app. To do that, press and hold the Command key, then drag the item to the Finder toolbar until you see a green plus sign. You may also add a file on. To remove a file or an app from the toolbar, again, press and hold the Command key, and drag it away from the toolbar. When you hear the swoosh sound, it means that item is removed from the toolbar. It's that simple. As I mentioned earlier, you may also add a folder on the left-hand sidebar if you wish. It can also be removed by dragging it away. I will show you how to create a bootable Windows 10 installer USB flash drive. First, go to Google and search for Windows 10. Go to Microsoft's website and download Windows 10. There is also a link below for your convenience. Choose the version that is suitable for you, a language, and also choose either 32 or 64-bit version. If your computer is built 2007 and after, chances are that the 64-bit version is mostly suitable for you. Click and download. Next, you need to prepare the USB flash drive. You will need a minimum 8 GB flash drive. Go to Spotlight and type Disk Utility. On Disk Utility, find the USB flash drive and click on the top part. Next, click on Erase. Type the name of the flash drive. Next, on Scheme, make sure you have Master Boot Record selected. On Format, choose exFAT. Click on Erase, and soon the flash drive will be ready. When you are done downloading Windows 10, place it on your desktop. Double-click on the ISO and drag everything on the flash drive. That's all you need to do. Now the flash drive is ready. I will demonstrate that it is a bootable Windows 10 installer USB flash drive. If you want to use this to install Windows 10 on a Mac, do not forget to download the Boot Camp drivers and copy the folder on the driver, so after completing installation, you can install the Windows 10 drivers to make your Mac a perfect Windows machine. I will show you how to create a custom message that shows up on the lock screen. This may save your MacBook in case it gets lost, because you can put in a phone number and an email address that people will see right when it's opened up. To do that, go to System Preferences. Next, go to Security and Privacy. Unlock with your password at the bottom left. Next, go to General, and then click on the tick where it says Show a message when the screen is locked. Click on Set Lock Message and type your message. When you're done, lock again at the bottom left and exit System and Preferences. That's it, all set. Next time you boot up, or when your screen is locked, your message will appear. I will show you how to password protect a folder on macOS Mojave. Go to Disk Utility. At Disk Utility, go to File. Next go to New Image, and finally go to Image from Folder. Next, locate the folder you want to password protect, and select Choose. Next, go to Encryption, and select the strength of encryption you need. Type the password, and please make sure you do not forget it. And now, you should go to Image Format. I think it is best to use the Read, Write option. Click on Save, and the folder will become password protected. Now, remember to delete the original folder. To access the password protected folder, type the password, and you will have access of its content. When you are done using it, do not forget to eject it, in order to lock it. The folder now will only let you have access if you type the right password. It is quite simple and I hope you found it useful. I will show you how to embed a thumbnail on an MP4 or MP3 file. I will demonstrate on this MP4 Addicted to Macintosh intro short video. First, right-click on the MP4 or MP3 file, and go to Get Info. Next, open the photo you want to use as a thumbnail, and copy the area you want to use. Now click on the thumbnail of the MP4 file, go to Edit and paste the thumbnail you desire. Done. It's that simple.
I will show you how to encrypt a document on macOS. I created a document for the demonstration, and I will show you how I will encrypt it. I will try to decrypt this document with the wrong password, and last, I will decrypt it with the proper password. First, go to Spotlight and type Terminal. I have placed the documents that I need to encrypt on my desktop, therefore, on Terminal, I will go to the desktop area. I will type CD desktop. Next, to encode the document, I will type zip-e, that means zip and encode. Next I will name the output file. In our case, I will call it output.zip. Last, I need to give the location of the document I need to zip and encode, so I will hit spacebar and drag the document on the terminal. Last I will set up the password, and that would be it. As I mentioned earlier, I will try to decode with the wrong password, and you will see that the document will not open. When I input the correct password, the document will open properly.
Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. More than 1,200 Apple product-related videos. Thank you for viewing, subscribing, sharing and liking.